Hello everyone, I am Hariharani. Today I stand before you contesting for MLA for Mallapur constituency. I stand here not only as a politician but also as a person who support people and as a person who stand before to encourage everyone. Today there are many issues in our society. First, the basic needs should be given to the people, like drinking water. Drinking water is nowadays mostly polluted. In some areas we are seeing they should be cleaned. All the rivers and all should be cleaned. There is also education should be provided for the youth. Education in the sense basic education, which is 6 to 14 years, is mandatory, and after that higher education should also be provided for the people. I ensure that every person, every child in my constituency gets educated. There is also other issue regarding farmers. Farmers, they take loans, and sometimes due to any disasters they cannot pay loans. In that case, when I come to power, I'll clear all the loans so that no farmer should suffer, because they are the backbone of our society. And there are also other issues. I'll try to address all of them. I want a society where everybody is educated, everybody work together and build the society together into a developed nation. Thank you.
Thank you.